In this episode, a cat and owner begin the morning with a sleepy dance as sunlight fills the kitchen. A cereal chase turns cinematic when the cat swats a spoon, approving breakfast with a triumphant purr. They build a tiny obstacle course from cushions and yarn, racing in slow-motion hugs and goofy high-fives. An impromptu park visit becomes a patient lesson, as the cat noses leaves while the owner practices calm, gentle cues. As the sun sets, laughter echoes, teamwork shines, and both vow more adventures that warm hearts and build trust.